What's going on with my friends? It might be a little dark here. I'm in my van. I had to go by the storage unit, and I had to get some stuff back in the van here, because yes, I am taking a trip in this van. I mean, it's going to be, it's one of those things that somebody calls me taking interest in the van. They're going to have to meet me where I'm at if we're close, or I'll see you in a few weeks. So I'm looking to leave, I guess. Let's see here. What is today? The 8th? Probably first week of September, around August 28th, something like that. 27th, 28th. And I'm just trying to figure out what direction I'm going to go. I do know where I want to go, and that'll be cool. I do want to hit the northern coast of Michigan. I want to see a lot of the Mackinac Island area and all that. I think it'd be real cool. I'm not big on going through there, but I have never seen the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, so I'm going to go see it. I disagree with a lot of things with the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. It's just for certain bands that should have been inducted in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame that were snubbed out of that long before some of these bands that were, but that's neither here nor there. I'm still going to go see it, I guess. As they always say, when in Rome. I'm debating, and I don't know if I'm going to do New England this time, because I'm going to do a cross-Canadian trip, I think, next year. I'm planning on that. Everything settles down, going to go up. I would go up through New England, Nova Scotia area and all that, and then I would probably cut across. I've got a friend of mine that lives between Toronto and Montreal, and then go up and shoot across towards Vancouver and just see Canada. I think it'd be beautiful. It's a lot of places they say you can stop. Canada's real open about the whole van life, RV life thing. You can stop at a rest area and get some sleep, and no one bothers you. It's really cool. So yeah, that's where that stands. I think it's cool. I finished up this one music project. Going to be finishing up another I got to do it for the end of August. This trip is all kind of planned around. I've got to be in Los Angeles October 3rd. The afternoon, evening of, I'm going to have a day to kind of get settled. The 5th through the 7th is a conference, and then the 8th I'm heading back east. So a couple of stops I want to hit in Arizona I haven't hit, and we'll see. We'll see where all that goes. Looking to probably be back here mid-October. But in the meantime, all is well. I still got to get some rubber tubing for my those L brackets that are holding in the mattress when I put the dendri mat in. So that's all going well. So it's just kind of putting a few things. I'm not going to go all out and stuff everything in this van. Just going to take the essentials for the trip, and going to take it for a trip because we know we're coming back. And just see where it goes. Once the van sells, I'll be going back RV. I think that's what we're going to do. I know that's what we're going to do. So anyway, be cool. I appreciate you guys for watching. And again, all is well. We're just getting myself ready when I get some time the next few weeks. I'm going to take the van out, though, and I'm going to just drive it a little bit. And maybe I may go a couple places, spend the night, and then come back. Got to start sleeping back in the van, I think. That's what I want to do. So we're going to figure all that out. If not the van, it's going to be when we go RV. But I need to start sleeping in the van for this trip. Getting used to that, because I've been sleeping in a house for the last few months, and I need to kind of get myself acclimated back to that. So anyway, be cool. I appreciate you guys watching, and like everyone asks, hit like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I would love for you guys, hit the like button on these videos as much as you can. It really helps me and lets YouTube know that my content is cool enough to move on and proceed. So, and grow this thing. Be cool. I appreciate you for watching. Be cool. Bye.